How to reset YouTube recommendation. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your YouTube application from your device and get logged into your YouTube account. Now tap on the Use section from your bottom right. Here tap onto the settings icon on your top right hand side, then tap on Downloads. Make sure that you toggle off recommended downloads. As you do so, it will reset all of the videos that you have been downloading or any recommendation videos that YouTube have been showing to you. Let's go ahead and do an extra something as well. Tap on the Google account here. Then go on to Data and Privacy. Here scroll below until you see the option of YouTube History. Tap onto it. Now here tap on Manage History. In my case, I don't have any YouTube history, but here you can see the option of Delete. It will be clickable in your device. Tap onto it and you can also choose all time or 6 months periodically. Once done, this will reset all of your recommendations on your YouTube account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.